Okay, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now you know that we are doing the second poem in English, that is Which Loved Best, right? Now we have completed the poem and we are doing the grammar part of the lesson. Now, last time in my previous video also I made you do a topic in grammar. Do you remember which topic we did last time in the last video? Do you remember? I showed you so many slides. I showed you so many examples. What was the topic? Do you know? Yes, very, very good. We learnt about, what did we learn about? Yes, we learnt about synonyms. Yes, synonyms. Synonyms means, I explained to you, the words that are same in meaning, they are called synonyms. The words that are same in meaning, they are called synonyms of each other. Okay, if two words have similar meaning, they are called synonyms. Okay, then I had even given you a worksheet for your activity, based on what I had taught you. Okay, now today we will be doing the second topic in grammar. Okay, we will be doing a second topic in grammar, and you must have learnt it in your previous classes also, right? So today we are going to learn about nouns. We are going to learn about nouns. You all know what are nouns, right? You all know there are so many types of nouns. So today I will be teaching you about nouns. So first let me show you some slides, okay, so that you understand that what we are going to learn today. Okay, students, so let's see the slides. Okay, students, now as you know, we are doing the 8th part. That means this is the 8th video. Okay, this is the 8th video of this chapter. Okay, now see, I will just show you some words. Now see, can you see? Some words are given on the screen. There are so many words. See, there is hairspray, there is butterfly, caterpillar, car, knife, cheese, pear, bread, this is a fruit, right? Bread, mango, chair, cat, orange, elephant, hat. These all are words, Now you can see there are some things in these pictures. There are some things, then there are some animals, okay, then there are some fruits, okay. Everything is there in this picture. Okay, everything is there in this picture. Can you see properly? Yes. Now all these things, what they are called? They are called common nouns. Why common nouns? Because they are very common things. Okay, they are common things. Okay, now see, hairspray, car, these all are very common things. Means there is no name given to them. Okay, there is no particular name given to them. These all are very common things. Okay. So all the all the common things which are around you, they are called common nouns. Okay, they are called common nouns. Now see, elephant, cat is there, bread is there, hat is there, mango, pear. All these things, they are very common. They don't have a name. They don't have a particular name. Now you must be having a name, right? You have your name. Suppose if your name is Heer. Okay, if you are a girl, your name is Heer. Then you are having a name, so that is not common. That is not a common noun. Then suppose your school has a name. Your school's name is Alchemy School, right? So it is not a common noun. So when you give a name to something, then it is not a common noun. But if there is no name given, see, there is no name given to anything, so that is common noun. Okay, now see, I will show you some more pictures so you understand what I am trying to tell you. Okay, see, now I have given you both the nouns, common and proper, so that you understand. See, now I told you only if the things are given, only if the birds are given, animals are given, people are given, places are given, but there is no name. Still name is not given, then it is common noun. But if name is given to that, then it becomes a proper noun. Now you see, country. Now country is a common noun. Why? Because there are so many countries, right? In the whole world there are many countries. There is India, there is China, there is Nepal, then there is America, there is Australia, there is Africa, right? There are many countries. So if we take the word country, then it is a common thing. So this is a common noun. A name is not given. But if I give a name to the country, now see, the country has got a name, that is China. So now this becomes a proper noun. Okay. So whenever there is a name, whenever a name is given, then that names are proper nouns. So proper nouns means, you know what, all the names given to the things, all the names given to the birds, names given to animals, names given to people, okay, names given to things. So whatever names you see, they are called proper noun. Okay. And if the name is not given to the words, then it is common noun. Very simple. Now see, mountain. Now there is no name given to this mountain, so mountain is a common noun. But if I give a name to the mountain, Mount Everest, so now Mount Everest is the proper noun. Understood? Now see, this is street. Now so many streets are there. Yes, streets means the roads and all, they are called street. Near your house also there are so many streets. So street is a common noun. Okay, because there are many streets, so street is a common noun. But if I give a name to the street, like First Avenue, the name of the street is First Avenue, so now this becomes a proper noun. Why? Because this is a name of a street. This is a name of a street, so it has become a proper noun. Now lake. Lake, there are so many lakes, right? In the whole world there are so many lakes. So now lake is a common noun. But if I gave a name to the lake, Lake Superior. Lake Superior is a name of a lake. So when I give a name to the lake, it becomes a proper noun. So the Lake Superior is a proper noun. Understood? Now see, city. City is a common noun because there are many cities, right? Now if I give a name to the city like London, so now London is a proper noun. Okay, so all the names are proper noun. Okay, that you have to remember. And if it does not have a name, it is common noun. Now ocean. Now there are many oceans, right? There are many oceans. Now this is a common noun because this is ocean, there is no name given. Now if I give a name to the ocean like Indian Ocean, then this becomes a proper noun. Indian Ocean is a proper noun because it is a name. Girl. Now this is only a girl, there is no name given. So girl is a common noun. But if I give a name to the girl, Sarah, so Sarah is the proper noun. So understood, students, what I am trying to tell you? So this is called common noun and proper noun. Understood? So this is known as common noun and proper noun. Understood, students? Common noun means all the words, okay? All the things, all the animals, all the birds, people, places, but there is no name given. In common noun, there is no name given. And proper noun means what? The names. The names of people, places, animal, birds, things. Okay, when a name is given, it becomes proper noun. So, proper noun are all the names given. So, it always begins with a capital letter C. Because proper noun means what? All the names that are given, they are called proper nouns. So, they are in capital letter. But over here, see, common nouns are not names. So, they are all in small letters. Can you see? So, this was the difference between common noun and proper noun. So, we are going to learn in this particular video only about common noun and proper noun. Okay, students? Okay, see, now I will give you some more examples of what are common nouns and proper nouns. See, if I give you more examples, then you will understand properly, no, students? So, see, now all these are common nouns. See, house, sister, girl, country, bank, city, man, holiday, cousin, baby, park, city, dress, nun, bag, lollies, classmate, crowd, zoo, temple, river. All these are common nouns. Why? Because there is no name given. Okay, they are all without names, so they are called common nouns. Now on this side you see there are all proper nouns, means all the names are given. See, Main Street, this is the name of a street, right? Main Street. Shashi, name of a girl. Sita, name of a girl. Australia, it is a country. Ram is a name of boy. Now none, please ignore it. Mr. Brown was also name. Vihan is a name. Joe is a name. Mrs. Wood is a name. New Delhi, India is a name. Kashish is a name. Anita is a name. Peter is a name, Africa is a name, Jawaharlal Nehru, Prime Minister, India is a name, Melbourne is a name, Monday is a name, Godavari is a name. So understood? All these are proper nouns because they are names. They are names of all the things, all the people, all the places. And these are common nouns because they are not names. Okay? Understood, no students? So common nouns means general words without names, and proper nouns means they are names of all the things. Okay, so I have given you examples of common nouns and proper nouns. Now I will show you the definition. Definition means I will show you its meaning so that you now understand, okay, what is common. See, this is collective nouns. This I will make you do later in the next video, okay. Now we are doing only common and proper nouns. Now you will understand because I already gave you the examples. Now see, a common noun names a general person, place or thing. Do not capitalize means it is just a general person. All the person, place or things are called common nouns, and do not capitalize means it does not have capital letters. See, city, state, place, school, computer, all these are common nouns because they are not having any names. Now proper noun means a noun which is a special name. So if a special name is given, that is the proper noun. Okay, that is the name of a particular person, place or thing. It is a proper noun. So when the name is given, I explained to you, when the name is given, it becomes proper noun. See, first letter of proper noun should be capital. Okay, now the first letter of a proper noun is always capital. So now you have understood, okay, because I gave you the examples and then I told you the definition. So you understand in a more better way. Okay, students? Okay, students, see, now I'll just make you do one small activity of match the columns so that you get a very better idea about the common nouns and the proper nouns. Now you just see over here. See. Now in this, on this side, all the common nouns are given. See, can you see? Country, festival, man, building, book, river, city, month, day. Means there are no names given, okay? They all are common words. So they are called common nouns. See, can you see there is no name given to any of these words? Now on this side, if you see, there are all proper nouns. Proper nouns means when a name is given, when a special name is given, it is called proper nouns. See, Eiffel Tower, Abraham Lincoln, Arabian Nights, Sunday, May, Nile, Germany, Christmas, Sydney. All these are proper nouns. Why? Because names are given. So now what you have to do in this activity, you have to match it. You have to match the common nouns and the proper nouns. Okay, now we will just do it. Now you see, when I do only you will understand. So I'll just show you the answers. Wait. Now see, the first one is, can you see the first common noun? Wait, let me show it properly. Yes. The first common noun is country. Now let us see what is the answer. Okay, so Germany. What is its answer? Germany is a country. So country is a common noun. Can you see country? It is a common noun, and Germany, it is a proper noun. Why? Because Germany is a name and it starts with a capital. Okay, all the proper nouns will start with capital. Okay, now we have done the first one. Now we will see the second one. Festival. Now you can see what is a festival given. Yes, very good. Festival, Christmas. Okay, so festival is a common noun. Now when I give a name to the festival, it becomes a proper noun. So Christmas is a festival. Now see the third one. It is man. So man, there is no name. So man is a common noun. Now see, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is the name of a man. Okay, he was a president. Okay, he was a president of United States of America, right? So Abraham Lincoln. So man is a common noun, but if I give a name to the man, it becomes a proper noun. So Abraham Lincoln is a proper noun. Now next is building. Now building is a common noun because there is no name. Now just see the answer. Eiffel Tower. Okay, Eiffel Tower is a name of the building. So when I give a name to the building, it becomes a proper noun. So Eiffel Tower is a proper noun. Okay, students. Now see book. Now book is a common noun because there is no name given for the book. Okay. Suppose if I even give names to the book like English book, science book, if I give name to the book, it becomes a proper noun. But if I say only book, then it is a common noun. Why? Because there is no name given. But if I say science book, then it is a proper noun. English book, it is a proper noun. Social science book, it is a proper noun. Okay. But if I say only book, then it is a common noun. Now let's see what is the answer of book. Very good. The Arabian Nights. Now Arabian Nights is the name of a story book. Okay. It is a very famous story book, the Arabian Nights. So if it is only book, it is common. But now I gave a name to the book, the Arabian Nights. So it has become a proper noun. Okay. Now the next one is river. There is no name given still. So river is a common noun. Now see, I have given a name. Nile. Nile is a river. Okay. Nile is a river. It is the longest river in the world. Nile is the longest river in the world. So when I give a name to the river, it becomes a proper noun. Okay, students. Now the next one is city. There is no name given to the city. So it is a common noun. But when I give a name to the city, Sydney. Can you see Sydney? So this becomes a proper noun. So city is a common noun and Sydney is a proper noun because it is a name. Now the next one is month. Month, there is no name given to the month. So month is a common noun. But if I give a name to the month, like say May. So May is a proper noun. This is the name of a month. All the names of the month from January to December, all the names of the month are proper nouns because they are the names of months. Okay. Names of festivals, names of months, names of days also like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They are all proper nouns because they are the names. They are the names. Okay. Now see over here. Day. Day is a common noun because there is no name given to the day. Now if I give a name to the day, Sunday, then it becomes a proper noun. All the names of months, days, they all are proper nouns because they are the names. Okay. They are the names. Now you have seen all the proper nouns start with a capital letter. Okay, students. So this was the activity I wanted to explain to you about the common nouns and the proper nouns. Okay, students. So students, I have taught you about the common nouns and proper nouns. I showed you some examples. I showed you some slides also. There are still more examples and there are many more slides which I want to show you. Some more activities I want to show you so that you get a clear idea of common nouns and proper nouns. But I will show you in my next video. Okay. So for now, these many slides I have shown you so that you get some idea you get. And now in the next video, I'll continue with common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, there are still many more activities that I want to show you so that you are very clear with the idea. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day.